Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger downloading photos. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger downloading photos, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this page, you will click here. You will go to find the application of Messenger. Then in this page, you will go to click for stop. After that, you will click here storage. You will go to click storage. Then in this page, you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.